All right, so let's take a look at how to install Quickli. This is recorded on January 20th, 2021. This is for version 0.991 of Quickli. If you are looking at this video in the distant future, like, I don't know, 45 days from now, the current version of Quickli will not be this, but the install process will be the same. So right click on the folder that you have, so Quickli for everything in this case, click download. It will zip up the file, might take a moment. In some instances it will actually ask you, hey, do you want to leave this site for some reason? Yeah, that's fine. How do you know which version? You click on the manifest file, and right here, version 0.991. And this is where you can see the permissions as well. So if you're worried about security stuff for whatever reason, these are the sites that it has access to. All right, so now it has downloaded into a zip file. You can open up that zip file, and if you're on a Mac, you can just double click on that zip file and it will automatically extract it. If you're on a PC, you want to right click on it and then extract all. If you don't see that, you could see 7-zip, extract here, or whatever zip tool you have. Main thing is you want to extract it. You can put it wherever you want. I'm going to keep mine in the default downloads folder, and I'm going to rename this folder as the current date, so 20 Jan 2021. Extract, and all right, now we have this file. So the next step from here, we will need to go to our extensions. Look at this link here. This is where you want to go, so type that into your browser. And here you should see this little icon up here saying dev mode. If that's not clicked over, click that. And now you will be able to load an extension. So you'll click load unpacked, and you will go to wherever you downloaded that folder, and you want to click into that. Now here is the part where people get hung up, okay? Select the folder, and you shouldn't, in this case, you shouldn't see anything. In other versions, you might see an icon folder, and you can leave that, but you want to be in the root folder that says Quickli for everything. That's where you want to be. That should be the folder that's displayed here that you are selecting. Once you have that, click select folder, and now it's installed, right? And here it is, version 991, okay? And once you have that installed, you can then go to LinkedIn, and if it is working, all right, you'll see these peak buttons, you'll see this show up, right? Stuff like that. To access this extension, you either need to be a Patreon member, or here in about 30 days, you'll be able to sign up directly from the Quickli website, which is under development at the moment. Right now, that website is a very old tool that I developed like 4 years ago, so that will be going away soon. This tool right now is $10 a month, maybe less if, you know, depending on who you are and where you live, there's some discounts available, or you can pay more as well. I believe it's worth quite a bit more than $10 a month, but the whole point of Quickli is to make a tool that's useful for sourcers that improves your lives without having to, you know, get your employer to pay for it. Something that anyone can afford and that provides value to everyone.